All right, hey y'all, we were given equations to kind of graph them. Now we're going to give a graph and write the equation. And the best thing to do is find the vertex. See, this vertex here is at 0, -4. So what that means is it didn't move any left or right, and it went down 4. Well, think about it. Down 4 is written just on the outside of the absolute value. So that's how I would write it. It's a -4 that just goes down. But what about a 5 to the right? This was the one that was a horizontal wire. It's inside, but not a +5. It's a -5. Notice it's inside the thing. So here we have one where they do both, right? Notice it went 5 left and 3 up. Well, the x's are always liars. That's why I said x's are liars, horizontal liars, and 3 tells the truth. That's why you notice the 3 tells the truth and the 5 is different. And this time, what's different about this one? Notice this here. Yep. Is the graph going up or down? It's not going up, it's going down, so it has to go which way? It has to have a negative on the outside, and because the vertex is up 4, that +4 is on the outside. So you see how it's written? You see how it's written right there. Okay? Has to have that negative in it. Anytime it goes down, it has to have that negative in it. All right? So, now this one here's got a little different. Y'all notice this here? This one's got a slant. It's not a 1. Just look at the slope. Look at the slope of the right. It went up 2 and over 1. So that means I'm going to put a 2 in front of the x. Whatever the slope is, that's what I put on the outside there. So let's do another one. This time it goes up 3 over 1. So the slope's at 3x. Here's another one. I think this time it goes up 4 or 5. It's kind of hard to tell. I guess 4 over 1. But do they always have to do that way? No. This time it's not a very good graph, but it goes up 1 over 2. So that means it's a 1/2 slope. This one's a compression. The other 3 were stretches. This one's a compression. All right? And here's one, just another compression one, right? It went up like 1 over like maybe like 4 or 5. Okay, 5 1/5. It's kind of hard to tell. I didn't graph this very well. Right? But that's what they do right there. Okay. So basically, that would be our keys right there. Okay, Frank?